ratios up to transformations. Exercise 6D. First question. Simplify. First one, sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to. So we have sin 2 theta formula and cos 2 theta formula. Sin 2 theta formula 2 sin theta cos theta by 1 plus cos. We have cos 2 theta formula 1 plus cos 1 minus cos. 1 plus cos equal to 2 cos square, 1 minus cos equal to 2 sin square. So here it is 1 plus cos 2 sin square, half of 2 theta. If it is 1 plus cos 2 sin square, 2 cos square actually it is 2 cos square. If it is 1 minus cos 2 sin square, 1 plus cos equal to 2 cos square, half of 2 theta equal to theta. Instead of it is plus, it is minus. If it is minus 1 minus cos 2 theta, 2 sin square, half of 2 theta, theta, 2 cancel, cos theta cancel, sin theta by cos theta equal to sin by cos tan theta. This is the required solution. Next, second one is 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta by 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta. Now we need to write the formulas of cos 3a and sin 3a formula. Cos 3a, cos 3 theta, 3 cos theta plus 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta by 3 sin theta minus. So sin 3 theta formula 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So minus of 3 sin theta minus 3 sin theta minus of minus plus 4 sin cube theta. So formula is sin 3 theta formula 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Before it is minus, so signs will be changed. Plus 3 sin theta will become minus 3 sin theta, minus 4 sin cube theta will become plus 4 sin cube theta. So 3 cos theta cancel, 3 sin theta cancel, 4 cos cube theta by 4 sin cube theta. 4 cancel, cos theta by sin theta whole cube. This is equal to cot theta whole cube, cot cube theta, cot theta whole cube or cot cube theta, both are same. Next, third one. Okay, no third. Second question, first one. Second question, first one. Evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. First one, 6 sin 20 minus 8 sin cube 20. 6 sin 20 minus 8 sin cube 20. I want to take in this is 6, this is 4, 8. I am taking 2 common. If we are taking 2 common, 3 sin 20 minus 4 sin cube 20. So 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. This is the formula of sin 3a. 2 sin 3 into 20. 2 into sin 60. 3 into 20, 60. 2 into sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. The answer is root 3. Next, second. Cos square 72. Cos square 72 minus sin square 54. Sin square 54. Cos square 52 minus sin square 54. Okay, this is cos square a minus sin square b. One is cos, another one sin. The formula is cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Cos of 72 plus 54 into cos of 72 minus 54. So cos of 72 plus 54 equal to 7 plus 5 12, 126. Next, cos of 72 minus 54 equal to 18. So 126 I want to write cos 90 plus 36 cos 18. So cos of 90 plus theta minus sin theta minus sin 36 into cos 18. Simplification. This simplification minus sin 36 value square root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4 into. So this is sin 36. Okay. Cos 18 value square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. So minus denominator 4 into 4 60. Within the root 10 square 100 minus 2 square 4 into 5 20. So minus root 80 by 60. So minus 16 into 5 by 16. So implies 16 bringing outside minus 4 root 5 by 16. 4 into 1 4 into 4 minus root 5 by 4. So this is the solution of second. Next third one. Third is sin square 42. Sin square 42 minus sin square 12. So this is sin square a minus sin square b. Formula is sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Sin of 42 plus 12 into sin of 42 minus 12. So 42 plus 12 equal to 54. Sin 42 minus 12 equal to 30. Sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. Sin of 54 I want to write 90 minus 36. So 1 by 2. 90 sin will become cos 36. So 1 by 2 into. So cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. So root 5 plus 1 by 8. This is the required solution. Next, third question. Third one. First one. Sin 4 theta by sin theta. Sin 4 theta by sin theta. Express sin 4 theta by sin theta in terms of cos cube theta and cos theta. Cos cube theta and cos theta. Okay, we need to write this one in terms of cos cube theta and cos theta. So first solution, sin 4 theta by sin theta. So I want to write this as sin 2a formula. 2 sin half of this one 2 theta cos 2 theta by sin theta. Next 2 again sin 2a formula. Sin 2a formula in terms of sin 2a formula 2 sin theta cos theta. We need cos theta. Actually cos theta formulas cos square theta minus sin square theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1 minus 2 sin square theta. But we need all in terms of cos. So I want to write the formula in terms of cos. So 2 cos square theta minus 1 by sin theta. Sin theta cancel. 2 into 2 4 cos theta of 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now I want to multiply 4 into 2 8 cos theta into cos square theta cos cube theta minus 4 cos theta into 1 minus 4 cos theta. So this is the required solution. Okay, next second, express cos power 6a plus sin power 6a in terms of sin 2a. Cos power 6a plus sin power 6a in terms of sin 2a. In terms of sin 2a, I want to write this expression. Solution. First, I want to write cos power 6a plus sin power 6a. This is cos power 6a. So, cos square a whole cube plus sin square a whole cube. Now I want to write a cube plus b cube formula. I want to write first a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b of a square minus ab plus b square. a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b of a square minus ab plus b square. So this one, this is a, this is b. Cos square a plus sin square a, this is a plus b. A square cos power 4 a minus cos square a sin square a plus sin power 4 a. So cos square a plus sin square a equal to 1. Next, this is cos square a whole square sin square a whole square. So a plus b whole square I want to write plus cos is 2 cos square a sin square a. So actually this is minus 1. So to adjust to this one, minus b cos square a sin square a. Now a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square. So one we don't need to write cos square a plus sin square a whole square minus 3 cos square a sin square a. Now, so this is equal to 1 cos square theta plus sin square theta identity. So 1 minus 3 into. So I want to write 4 by 4 cos square a sin square a. 4 by 4 multiply and divide with 4. So 1 minus 3 by 4 half this 4 2 sin a cos a whole square. 2 square 4 cos square a. Next sin square a 4 cos square a sin square a. I want to write 2 sin a cos a whole square. 1 minus 3 by 4 sin 2a whole square equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2a. So this is the answer in terms of sin 2a. Next question number 3. Third question is express 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta in terms of tan theta by 2. Tan theta by 2. So first solution, what is given I want to write 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta implies 1 minus cos 2 sin square 1 plus cos 2 cos square 1 minus cos 2 sin square theta by half angle formula, sin to a formula. So 2 sin half of this one cos half of this one 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 by 1 plus cos 2 cos square theta by 2 plus again same formula 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay, in numerator 2 common sin theta by 2 common 2 sin theta by 2 common remaining sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 by in denominator 2 common cos theta by 2 common. So cos theta by 2 plus remaining sin theta by 2. So if we observe 2 cancel, sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 getting cancelled. So sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Sin by cos tan theta by 2. So this is the required solution. Okay, next. Fourth question. First one, if sin alpha equal to 3 by 5, sin alpha equal to 3 by 5, where 5 by 2 less than alpha less than 5, find cos 3 alpha tan 2 alpha. We need cos 3 alpha and tan 2 alpha. Okay, first sin alpha equal to 3 by 5. Alpha lies between pi by 2 to 5, which is nothing but 90 to 180. So 90 to 180 means which lies in the second quadrant. We need cos and tan. So cos formula in terms of cos only. 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha. Tan to alpha formula in terms of tan only. So we need to find out first cos and tan. So sin alpha equal to 3 by 5. Pi by 2 less than alpha less than pi implies alpha belong to second quadrant. So this is alpha, opposite 3, hypotenuse 5, 3, 5 combination Pythagoras equated 4. So sin alpha already we have, cos alpha, tan alpha. So cos alpha equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, tan alpha equal to opposite by adjacent. And in the second quadrant both cos and tan are negative. Now cos 3 alpha. Cos 3 alpha equal to 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha. 4 cos cube alpha. Cos alpha whole cube minus 4 by 5 whole cube minus 3 of minus 4 by 5 equal to, so 4 into 4 cube 64 minus 64 by 5 cube 125 plus minus into minus plus 3 into 4 12 by 5. So LCM 125. So this is 125, this is 5. 4 into minus 64 minus 256. Next 125 by 5 25. 25 into 12 300. 300 minus 1 256 equal 44 by 125. So this is cos 3 alpha. Next tan to alpha. Tan to alpha equal to 2 tan alpha by 1 minus tan square alpha. 2 into tan alpha equal to minus 3 by 4 by 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square equal to, so 2 cancel 2 minus 3 by 2 by 1 minus 9 by 60 minus 3 by 2 by 16 into 116 minus 9 7 by 16 equal to minus 3 by 2 into reciprocal 16 by 7. So 2 into 1 2 into 8 minus 3 into 8 minus 24 by 7. So this is cos 3 alpha, this is tan 2 alpha. So these are the results. Okay, next question. Second, fourth question, second one. If cos A equal to 7 by 25, cos A equal to 7 by 25 and 3 pi by 2 less than A less than 2 pi. 3 pi by 2 less than A less than 2 pi. Then find the value of cot A by 2. Then find the value of cot A by 2. Cot A by 2. Okay, now solution. Cos A equal to 7 by 25. So 3 pi by 2 less than A less than 2 pi. So cot A by 2 formula already in terms of cos only. So we don't need other trigonometric ratio. Cos A we need only. So I want to do half of this one. 3 pi by 4 less than A by 2 less than 2 pi by 2 equal to pi. Half 3 pi by 2 half 3 pi by 4. Half of A by 2 half of 2 pi pi. So A by 2 is less than pi. So implies A by 2 belong to cube. So less than 180 means it lies in the second quadrant. A by 2 is in cube. Okay, now so cot a by 2 formula. Cot a by 2 equal to, so plus or minus in the second quadrant cot is negative, so that's why minus under root of, so the formula is 1 plus cos a by 1 minus cos a. So this is the formula. So minus of under root of 1 plus cos a by 1 minus cos a. So why we got here minus? Actually it is plus or minus. It is in the second quadrant, that's why we are taking minus. Okay, minus square root of 1 cos a 1 plus 7 by 25 by 1 minus 7 by 25 equal to minus square root 25 into 1, 25 plus 7, 32 by 25, 25 minus 7, 18 by 25, 25 cancel, minus square root, cancel with the 2, 16 by 9, so equal to root 16 minus 4 by 3, so minus 4 by 3, cot a value minus 4 by 3. Next, third question, if 0 less than theta less than pi by 8, if 0 less than theta less than pi by 8, then show that square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 equal to 2 cos theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay. So solution, square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta I am taking. So in this 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of, in this 2 common, 1 plus cos 4 theta. Now simply I am taking 2 common, nothing else. Okay, 1 plus cos equal to 2 cos square, 1 plus cos equal to 2 cos square. So square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 into 1 plus cos 2 cos square, half of 4 theta, 2 theta. Okay, now square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 into 2 4, bringing outside of the root, 4 bringing outside of the root 2, bringing cos square outside of the root, cos 2 theta. Now again I want to take 2 common, square root of 2 plus square root of 2 of 1 plus cos 2 theta. Okay, so 1 plus cos, again 1 plus cos equal to 2 cos square, so square root of 2 plus square root of 2 into 2 cos square theta. So square root of 2 plus 2 into 2 4, bringing outside of 4, 4 outside of the root 2, bringing the cos square outside of the root, cos theta. So 2 common, 1 plus cos theta. So again 1 plus cos equal to 2 cos square, 2 into 2 cos square, half of the theta, theta by 2. So equal to 2 into 2 4, 4 bringing outside of the root 2, bringing cos square outside of the root, cos theta by 2. So actually bringing cos square outside of the root we will get plus or minus, but theta less than pi by 8, 2 theta, 4 theta, all are less than pi by 2. So all lies in the first quadrant. So if we are bringing cos square outside of the root in all our first quadrant, we will get only plus cos. So that's why this condition is given, and we will get only positive while we are bringing outside of the root. So 2 cos theta by 2. Okay, next question. Find the extreme values of fifth question. Find values of first one cos 2x plus cos square x. So we need to find out the extreme values of cos 2x plus cos square x. Second, 3 sin square x plus 5 cos square x. Okay. So cos 2x, I want to write in the formula cos square. 2 cos square x minus 1 plus cos square x. 2 cos square x minus 1 plus cos square x. Next, 2 cos square x plus cos square x. 3 cos square x minus 1. So if we simplify this one, we will get this one. Actually, cos value lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Cos square value lies between 0 to 1. So we know square is positive quantity, non-negative quantity 0. 0 less than or equal to cos square x less than or equal to 1. Next, I want to multiply with 3 into 0, 0. 3 cos square x less than or equal to 3 into 1, 3. So minus 1, subtracting 1, minus 1 less than or equal to 3 cos square x minus 1 less than or equal to 3 minus 1, 2. What is 3 cos square x minus 1? This one. We got this one. If we simplify this one, we will get this one. So this is equal to this. So minus 1 less than or equal to cos 2x plus cos square x less than or equal to 2. So this is minimum value, this is maximum value. Minimum minus 1, maximum 2. So these are the extreme values. Okay, next, second, 3 sin square x plus 5 cos square x. So either you will convert sin square x equal to 1 minus cos square x or cos square x equal to 1 minus sin square x. I want to convert sin square x equal to 1 minus cos square x plus 5 cos square x. So 3 into 1, 3 into minus 3 cos square x plus 5 cos square x. 5 cos square x minus 3 cos square x, 2 cos square x plus 3. So remaining similar to this one. So 0 less than or equal to cos square x less than or equal to 1. So we know cos square x lies between 0 to 1, including 0 and 1. So multiply with 2 on all sides. 2 into 0, 0 less than or equal to 2 cos square x less than or equal to 2 into 1, 2. So adding 3 on all sides. 3 plus 0, 3. 2 cos square x plus 3 less than or equal to 2 plus 3, 5. So minimum 3, maximum 5. So this is equal to this one. This one and this one both are same. Okay. Next. So next question is 6th. A less than or equal to cos theta plus 3 root 2 sin theta plus 5 by 4 less than or equal to plus 6 less than or equal to b less than or equal to b. This is 6 less than or equal to b. Then find the largest value of it. Then find the largest value of a and smallest value of b. It is nothing but we need to find out the maximum and minimum values of this function. Okay, solution. Cos theta plus 3 root 2 sin of theta plus 5 by 4 plus 6. Cos theta plus 3 root 2 sin of theta plus 5 by 4 plus 6. Okay, so first I want to simplify sin of a plus b formula. Cos theta plus 3 root 2 sin theta cos 5 by 4 plus cos theta sin 5 by 4 plus 6. Okay, cos theta plus 3 root 2 of sin theta cos 5 by 4 cos 45 1 by root 2 plus cos theta sin pi by 4 sin 45 1 by root 2 plus 6. Next cos theta plus 3 root 2 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 common. Then we will get sin theta plus cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta plus 6. 1 by root 2 cancel. Cos theta plus 3 into sin theta 3 sin theta 3 into cos theta 3 cos theta plus 6. So cos theta plus 3 cos theta 4 cos theta plus 3 sin theta plus 6. So now we need to find out maximum and minimum. So a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c. Maximum and minimum values are c plus or minus under root a square plus b square. So maximum a equal to 4, b equal to 3, c equal to 6. Maximum or minimum equal to c plus or minus under root a square plus b square. 6 plus or minus under root 4 square plus b square. 6 plus or minus 16 plus 9. 6 plus or minus root 25 equal to 5. 6 plus 5, 6 minus 5. 6 plus 5, 11. 6 minus 5, 1. So maximum equal to 11. Minimum equal to 1. So now, this is the largest value. So we need to find out largest value of a, that is 1. So a equal to 1, b equal to 11.